Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss mutual funds. Nowadays it is very booming topic in market. What is mutual fund? There are several celebrities who are campaigning for the mutual fund, and I think everyone knows and it a bit aware about the mutual funds. But what are the different type of mutual fund? Actually, mutual fund is a corpus that has been collected from a wide range of people to invest the complete corpus in a particular scheme or company, and the benefits from that corpus has been shared among all the people. So this is the concept behind mutual fund. So let's talk about type of mutual fund. There are several type of mutual fund. Let's discuss about debt mutual fund. Mutual fund is basically a scheme in which risks are very less, and also the return amount of percentage of return of interest is also less. There is another kind of fund, that is equity fund. In equity fund, again, the rate of interest is high and risk is again high, but there is a type of fund, that is hybrid fund, is a mix up of debt fund and equity fund. So in hybrid fund there is a balance of risk and return of interest. So hybrid fund is a mixture of debt and equity fund. So these are the common basic type of funds. Rather than this, we have two types of fund as well. One is ELSS, that is equity linked saving scheme. In that we can use for a purpose of tax saving. So if anyone invest in this scheme, he or she can show their amount in for tax saving purpose. And there is a one more kind of uh, variety of liquid fund is liquid fund. Liquid fund is basically very less risk and very less return of interest. Why I'm saying very less? Because is uh, it invest in secure scheme like bonds, and where there is no chances for the loss of money. So that's why liquid fund is perfectly sure. It's high durable, and you can trust on mutual fund actually, because the rate of interest is always constant. So that is from this video. Thank you.